Hi friends! Recently I received a comment from a user. His name is Victor. He is an electronics student and wants to build a fast charger and use this 60 watts power supply for the charger circuit, but the output voltage should be 24 volts instead of 12 volts. So if you have a similar application, follow these modifications. That's pretty easy. Here is the AC input. Victor told me he lives in California, so the AC voltage is somewhere between 110 to 120. It means the maximum current draw is around 500 milliamps or a little bit higher or less. So the common mode choke should be rated at least 1 amp, but if you cannot find such a choke, you can wind it yourself. Just pick up a triode core, for example one of those yellow-white ones, and wind it yourself. That's not difficult. The bridge rectifier is fine. This circuit does not need any change. I will talk about the transformer later, but for the output, first you should replace this Schottky diode with the one that is rated 150 volts. So my suggestion is that you use MBRF 30150. It means rated 150 volts. Definitely you should replace these three capacitors with the one that is rated 50 volts, but of course their size would be bigger, so you might need to use, for example, 1000 microfarad 50 volts instead of this one. Replace this R16 with a 1K 1 watt resistor and replace this R17 with a 4.7K resistor because we need 5 milliamps for the diode, not more. Replace this R11 with a 4.7K resistor and also increase this R13 resistor. I let you calculate that yourself. Let's go to the transformer calculations. So this is the triode core and winding pattern of the original power supply. I mean the one that is rated 12 volts and 5 amps. But if we plan to get 24 volts and 2.5 amps, that's pretty easy. You don't need to change anything with the primary and auxiliary winding, but for the secondary, since the output voltage is multiplied by 2, I mean 24 volts, so we need to multiply the number of turns. It means 12 turns. And also because the output current is divided by 2, we only need to use 11 strands of 0.3 millimeters magnet wire. And that's it. Catch you next time.